video we'll be talking about gaining mastery. Okay, I haven't learned the notes of the keyboard. We've learned the finger numbers. Okay, we've learned how to number our fingers. Now we want to look at gaining mastery in moving our fingers to play the keyboard. Okay, and what we'll be doing today is, at least we can start from little songs. Okay, from there we progress. Thanks. Alright, welcome to today's video. Okay, now we've talked of the right fingerings for playing our scales. We've also talked of the tones and semitones. Alright, now we want to look at gaining mastery, okay, when we move our fingers. Now, for example, like the song I started with, this is one of the exercises you do to gain mastery over your fingers. Okay, so with this you can add some little, even if it's children's songs. You can do more. Whichever one you feel is your own choice of song, you can start with it. What we are just trying to get is knowing how to move our fingers. All right, so that is what we want to really achieve in today's video. All right, so if you take notes, I'm just moving one. Okay, yeah, one, then 5. I'm moving the third finger also. So like this, I started with 5 1 3 5. Okay, 5 1 5 1 3 5 5 1 3 5 5 1 3 5. So the pinky, the thumb, then the middle fingers. Those are the fingers I used for this very exercise. So then when I'm moving back, I'll just do this. All right, so that's for exercising our left hand. Okay, so then the right hand you can pick any melody at all, maybe a simple song you want to put on that very left hand exercise you are creating. So now if you find this video very interesting, or if you see that this video has a value, what you do is to subscribe. This will also encourage us to produce more videos. Also, then if you have questions or comments on the previous videos or on this one we are just producing, okay, you just do well to put them on the comment section so we can also attend to them. Thank you. So we were talking about the movement of the left hand. All right, now I've explained this to an extent. So let me do the same thing, same explanation on the right hand part. All right, so what I played in that very simple song. So let me take time to explain this. Okay, I played do do so so. That is 1 1 5 5. Okay, what I will just do is to probably shift this one and count it at 6. Okay, 1 1 5 5 6 6 5. Okay, now what I just did is I simply numbered this as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, which is our scale. Okay, so I did 1 1 5 1 1 5 5 6 6 5 4 4 3 3 2 2 1 5 5 4 4 3 3 2. Same thing again. 5 5 4 4 3 3 2. Then where we started from, 1 1 5 5 6 6 5 4 4 3 3 2 2 1. Don't forget, when you start something, it is in doing it consistently over and over that you gain mastery. Okay, so I haven't explained the right hand also. You now look for a way. It doesn't just come overnight. Okay, you look for a way to combine these hands together. You can do it as slow as possible until you are able to gain or maybe play it to the fastest tempo that you could. All right, so this is it. Then C, 6, 6, 5. Then 4, 4, 3, 3. Then 2, 2, 1. 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. Same thing we started with. 1, 1,